Discover herbal solutions for restful sleep.
Struggling to get a good night's rest? Explore natural options that promote relaxation and better sleep without medication. Here are 5 of the most effective herbal remedies, each known for supporting healthy sleep patterns. Learn how these herbs work, how to use them safely, and helpful tips before adding them to your nightly routine. Let's get started on your journey to better sleep naturally.
Chamomile, the classic calming herb.
Chamomile is renowned for its gentle, calming effects. Often consumed as a tea, chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that may promote sleepiness and help reduce insomnia, especially for those who have trouble winding down. Drinking a warm cup before bed can become a soothing bedtime ritual. Chamomile is widely regarded as safe for most people and has a mild, pleasant flavor.
Valerian root, nature's sleep aid.
Valerian root is a traditional herbal remedy commonly used to alleviate insomnia. It may help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve overall sleep quality. Typically taken as a supplement or tea, valerian root is best used for short-term relief of sleep difficulties. Its earthy aroma is strong, but many people find its calming effects outweigh the scent.
Lavender, relaxation in a flower.
Lavender is loved for its soothing scent and ability to ease stress. Research suggests that inhaling lavender essential oil or drinking lavender tea can help support restful sleep and reduce anxiety. Incorporating lavender into your bedtime routine, such as using a pillow spray or diffuser, provides a gentle way to relax your mind and body before sleep.
Passionflower, supporting deeper sleep.
Passionflower is another herbal option with calming properties. Used for centuries to address restlessness and insomnia, passionflower tea has been shown in some studies to improve sleep quality. It may be particularly helpful for people troubled by racing thoughts or mild anxiety at bedtime. Always follow recommended amounts to avoid daytime drowsiness.
Lemon balm, a gentle mood lifter.
Lemon balm is a fragrant herb in the mid-family, valued for its relaxing effects. Drinking lemon balm tea or taking it as a supplement may help ease tension and promote better sleep, especially when used in combination with other calming herbs. Its mild lemony flavor adds a pleasant touch to an evening routine, making bedtime more inviting.
Choosing herbal remedies wisely.
The previous message can provide natural insomnia relief, but it's important to choose quality products and use them responsibly before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. Individual responses may vary, so experiment gently and find the herbal solution that works best for your unique sleep needs.